Hey folks, so I'm over here in Lozenets in December, so just wanted to do a little video of basically what this place looks like in winter. So this is kind of the complex, and at the moment I think we are the only people here, although there is another family that's apparently living here over the winter, but they went away for the holidays because it is the Christmas is coming up. So I'll go for a little tour of the town itself and just kind of see what's actually open at the moment. So here's the beach. In the summer it will be full of people, but now obviously nobody is sunbathing in the middle of December. But it's very nice. Although I think there's a surfer. Oh my goodness. Yeah, somebody's surfing. Or maybe swimming. So there's some sign of life. The main town is that way, so we're going to head over there in a minute. So it's maybe freezing, but in the sun it feels kind of comfortable actually, so it's not really that bad. Anyway, so this little beach bar that I guess in the summer is open, but clearly now it's not. But yeah, the water is beautiful. It's actually, I don't quite remember seeing this many waves in the summertime, so maybe it's in the winter maybe there's more waves, but yeah, really nice. Alright, so now we're going to head over to the town itself, which is just across this bridge right here. Alright, so this is the main street leading to the beach, and everything here is pretty much closed, I think. There's a lot of restaurants and probably hotels and Airbnb type of places, but all of these things here seem to be closed for season. Definitely a very peaceful place to be in with the winter. You got some more street cat right here. A lot of places been having renovations done, so there's a little bit of construction going on. Some buildings. Yeah, you can see some really pretty nice properties, but not open at the moment. So this is one of the side streets, kind of paralleling the ocean, and there's a supermarket here, but I guess it's been closed for a while. I think this was closed even in the summer, so it's possible this has gone out of business. But there's actually a really nice supermarket in town. We'll see in a second. I'm guessing this is a pizza place during the season. This is the town square, the Christmas tree here. But not many people. So we just stopped by a little church we've encountered. And here's something. Plastic cups from the hard construction. I guess it's a way to raise money for the hospital. Kind of neat. So there are people out here. I just a lot of the restaurants are not open, but definitely people living here. So this is Tegel. Magazine Tegel. Może. Nescafé. produce. We'll see. So here's also a bakery that was open on yesterday. I guess today's Sunday, so it may not be open on Sunday, but it's a little bakery right here as well. So we were driving last night and we came in and we noticed this restaurant here that was open, and he has the sign says České setkání u Baby Yagi, which means Czech meeting at witch Yaga. Yaga is a common name for a witch. And we popped in and yeah, we actually found this place to be open, and there's actually some Czech people that meet here. We met some Czech couple here, so this place is kind of really neat. So there's something that is open over here. Alright, so that's kind of the main drag, and I'm going to head back to the apartment. The market here is open. Some kind of clothing store that's probably not open. And this casino has a little cafe. We saw that that was open also when we came in on Friday. But again, today is a Sunday, so it's probably also not really the best time to be filming, because some places that are open in the season or in the off season are probably not open on Sunday. But at least you see things that not everything's completely shut down. I'm guessing this is a restaurant in the summer. Called Sezoni, seasons. A really amazing coffee shop here. We had really good coffee in this little corner shop, and there's this place next to it that makes these things called golzame. We had some snacks here. There was a little table out here in the summer, but not open now, obviously. But yeah, a really awesome coffee shop in the summer. This is in the shopping center. Actually, I didn't even notice this. So just gonna pop in here. I guess this is the little mall and some little boutiques. Quite interesting. I think everything's basically being cleaned out. Let's see if this door is open. I guess not, so we'll have to go back. There's an ice cream place. Yeah, today the weather is amazing. Beautiful sunny day. So yeah, definitely a nice place to retire. And take little leisurely strolls, and actually there's even a downstairs section, which I guess would have in a summer maybe some tables out here, I imagine. Yeah, so this is actually a pretty cool place. I think my mom will do just fine over here. Let's see, some more nice houses here. And the apartment is basically just just around the corner from here. So yeah, my little tour of Lozenets. So again, my really big concern, looking for this place was and my mom, you know, will be able to kind of survive essentially without, you know, needing to have a car. I mean, she knows how to drive, but, you know, she doesn't have a car, and she doesn't really like to drive much either. But yeah, there's definitely all the necessities are available, you know, quite easily within a walking distance. And yeah, so that's it. And basically the apartment is just down here.